The Château de Chambord was built to stand as a lasting testament to the victories of King Francis I. He envisioned it as a grand and majestic monument that would reflect the power of the crown and commemorate his military campaigns and foreign expeditions. The king hoped the chateau would endure through the ages, telling the story of his long legacy. Known for his refined taste and deep appreciation for art and culture, he carefully selected the right person to design this monumental project. In the 16th century, Francis I chose the renowned artist Leonardo da Vinci, one of the most celebrated figures of his era, to design the chateau. Da Vinci's brilliance was embodied in its architectural concept, and historians today consider the Château de Chambord one of the defining symbols of the French Renaissance. A garden the size of a city. For many years, the original layout of Chambord's garden remained unknown. Classified as the largest enclosed park in Europe, the estate underwent 16 years of dedicated efforts by France to restore the garden to its initial design from 1515. After extensive research and study, the chateau finally regained its historic garden in 2017, restored to its former glory.